Hi, I'm Kieran from Get Packed, and this afternoon we're doing a quick demonstration for our PCS 35 Pneumatic Carton Stapler. That's this stapler here. We're using a staple to fit it, which is our Airco 35mm crown, 22mm leg. Connect the stapler to the air, pull the magazine slide all the way back. Staples go in from the back and slide up. Your buckle's going to return with the spring. Now you're ready to staple. Put your carton. Bring your flaps together and simply come down with the stapler. You can see that's all bit through, and if you were going to try and open it, you find that it has a lot more hold than traditional tape. It's going to safely ensure your products get to their destination.